Hello students, let us continue our discussion on the chapter factorization. Today I am going to explain you how to use the formula of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube to factorize the term. So first let's recap the formula. Formula of a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and formula of a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Let us solve some problem. First is 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube. So 8x cube can be written as cube of 2x. 2x cube equals to 8x cube, and 1 by 27y cube can be written as cube of 1 by 3y. So first step, you need to express as a difference of two cubes. Once you express the difference of two cubes, then apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Formula is difference of the term, so 2x minus 1 by 3y multiplied by square of the first term, that is 2x square, plus product of the terms 2x into 1 by 3y plus square of the second term, that is 1 by 3y square. So if you simplify, you will get 2x minus 1 by 3y multiplied by 2x square, that is 4x square, plus 2x by 3y plus 1 by 9y square. Moving into the next problem, 27x plus y to the power 3 plus 8 2x minus y to the power 3. So 27 can be written as 3 cube and x plus y cube. So we are writing this term as a cube of 3 into x plus y. Same way, this term we can write it as a 2 into 2x minus y to the power 3. So we express this as a sum of two cubes. So formula is a plus b, that is 3 into x plus y plus 2 into 2x minus y multiplied by square of this term. So square of this term means 3 square 9 and x plus y to the power 2 minus product of these two terms. So 3 into x plus y into 2 multiplied by 2x minus y plus square of this term. So 2 square means 4, 2x minus y square. Now we simplify. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, plus 2 into 2x, that is equals to 4x, plus minus 2 into y minus 2y. If you expand this, so we'll get 9 into x square plus 2xy plus y square using the formula of square of a plus b. Square of a plus b equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3 into 2, 6. Now you need to multiply these two terms. X into 2x equals to 2x square minus xy plus 2xy plus minus y into y square plus 4. And here we are using the formula of square of a minus b. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2x square equals to 4x square minus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 2x into y equals to minus 4xy plus y square. Now moving into the next step, 3x plus 4x equals to 7x, 3y minus 2y equals to y multiplied by, now multiply this term, 9x square, 9 2 ja 18xy plus 9y square minus 12x square minus minus plus 6xy minus 12xy minus minus plus 6y square, 4 just 16, so 16x square minus 16xy plus 4y square. Now here we add or subtract the like terms. So 7x plus y, 9x square plus 16x square, 25x square minus 12x square equals to 13x square, 18xy plus 6xy, 24xy, and minus 12xy minus 16xy minus 28xy. So 24xy minus 28xy equals to minus 4xy, 9y square plus 6y square, 15y square minus plus 4y square, that is 19y square. So factors of this term is 7x plus y multiplied by 3x square minus 4xy plus 19y square. Moving into the next problem, a cube minus a minus 120. So 120 minus 120 we are writing as minus 125 plus 5. The simple reason is 120 is not a perfect cube of any number. So nearest cube is 125. Now a cube minus 125. 125 we are writing as a 5 cube minus a plus 5. Here we are using the formula of a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is a square plus 5a plus 25, and from these two terms we are taking minus 1 as common, so we'll get a minus 5. Now from these two terms we are taking a minus 5 as common, so we'll get a square plus 5a plus 25, and since a minus 5 is taken common, so we'll get minus 1. So if you simplify, you will get a minus 5 multiplied by a square plus 5a, 25 minus 1 equals to 24. So factor is a minus 5 multiplied by a square plus 5a plus 24. Let us check another problem. A cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. A cube can be written as cube of a minus cube of 1 by a, and from these two terms we are taking minus 2 as common. So if you take minus 2 as common, so you'll get a minus 1 by a. Here use the formula of a cube minus b cube. Formula, if you apply the formula, so you'll get a minus 1 by a, difference of these two terms, multiplied by square of these two terms, that is a square plus 1 by a square, plus product of these two terms. So a into 1 by a. So a and a will get cancelled. So you'll get plus 1. Minus 2 into a minus 1 by a. So now from these two terms, we can take a minus 1 by a as common. So you'll get a square plus 1 by a square plus 1 minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. Let us solve another problem, a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. So first we are writing as square of a cube, because square of a cube, if you use the exponent formula, a raised to m raised to n equals to a raised to mn. So we can write it as square of a cube minus square of b cube. Now first use the formula a cube a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now here apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the factors of a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. Even you can use the formula of a cube minus b cube, then you need to write it as a square, cube of a square minus cube of b square, and then also you will get this factors. Let us solve our next problem. X to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. So first we are using the middle term factor. So product is minus 8 and middle term is minus 7. So we can write it as minus 7x cube as minus 8x cube plus x cube. Now from the first two term we can take x cube as common. So we'll get x to cube minus 8, and from the last two term we can take plus 1 common. So you'll get x cube minus 8. Now once you factorize this term, this can be factorized further using the formula of a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube, because 8 and 1 are the perfect cube number. So x cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube. So here we are using the formula of a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab, that is 2 into x, 2x plus b square, 4. And x cube plus 1 can be written as x cube plus 1 cube. So here we are using the formula of a cube plus b cube, which is equals to x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So the factors of the given expression is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 4 into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Practice these sums and complete the assignment. Thank you, student, for watching this.